We're here at Hampton County High School. 3 existing high schools are going to be closing down, and all of the students are going to be joined together here at this new building. We've been involved since the beginning of the job with the delegated design for the seismic restraints. So, you know, our engineering team has gone through and looked at the plans and figured out the different types of restraints that are going to be needed for the different pieces of equipment and distributed systems on the job.
On this site, we use the TecLoc bracing kits. We use the GS10, the GS12, the GS19. We are seismically restraining ductwork, piping, and bus duct for the electrical contractor.
So the TecLoc, I like that product because if there is a mistake happens with it, we don't have to cut it and start again. We can actually use the same cable because Gripple allows us to slide up other products where you have to clamp down. Once you clamp down, that's it. We can't reuse it. It's more time consuming to use that. The Gripple product's a lot quicker to use.
We've also introduced our TecLoc rod stiffener and TecLoc conduit claw, which they were very impressed with and already are talking to Colin from ASC Equipment about getting pricing and using that moving forward.
The thing I like about the conduit claw is easy to assemble with one hand. Gets the job done. I mean, it's a lot faster. Just you can put it on with one hand, have your drill ready. It's quick and easy. I like the fact that you shear it off, you know it's done. It's not going to move.
A big plus for us is that these kits are being built in Chicago or in Los Angeles and have easy access to throughout the country. It's a U.S. product, American-made product. You get in front of a union contractor and you tell them that it's being manufactured in Aurora or Los Angeles, that's a big deal.
It keeps us ahead of the game. We're not behind, but when we're doing, like I said, when we're using Gripple, because it's so quick and it's so adjustable, it saves us time. So that we haven't fallen behind because we're using the Gripple product.
In our partnership with Gripple, you know, all of the jobs that we have coming up, all of those we're designing around Gripple seismic cables, and especially with the new rod stiffeners with the TecLoc, taking that from our delegated design and getting it going from the beginning of jobs to just have an easy install process and make sure that everybody's having a good time.